Welcome back, guys. Tonight I've got an unboxing and initial impression of the Karve solid copper razor. Is it really worth that little bit extra expense for the copper? Let's find out. Alright guys, here it is. It came from DHL, so of course I do want a signature, and I'm never here, so I had to do the authorization release. I've been waiting for this for a little while and I'm pretty excited for it. So unboxing it, you do have a paper. My apologies, this is my 11th time shooting this because of the iPad. That's what's going back in the box. That's in the box when you get it. Mine has a 3.5 inch top cap, handle. Has the original top cap, and then the G base plate. And unboxing it, while I'm unboxing this, I'm gonna let you guys know in case this is the first time watching my new video. On the original review of the Christopher Bradley razor, come on, focus. I actually have all the base plates and measurements in there. If you'd like to see it, I'll link it up in here. And then also on my update video, I actually did show the difference between the top caps, the wide body, which covers the blade exposure, and then the regular one, which has difference, which you'll see in a second, because I have both. Both very good options. So you get a sticker from Karve, which I'll find some place to put that for sure. Then we get a handwritten letter, which I always appreciate those. That's just always a nice touch. And then you have the Karve Copper, which guaranteed to be out of focus. But when you get yours, you'll be able to sit there and read that as much as you would like. And then you have this letter about the washer, which they put in there. If I recall correctly, it's to help prevent scratching of the surfaces, to put in there to protect it. But you don't leave it on there, because if you do, it reduces the amount of threads being caught by the handle, and will actually could possibly strip the threads if you torque it down enough, which you shouldn't be doing that. So I do have a blade in here. It is completely rounded over. Believe me, this is not sharp. It won't cut anything, obviously, because that's why it's my test blade. Here is the blade overhang. Again, this is original one, so it has a divot on the top and the bottom, which I absolutely love that. I think it's awesome. It is very evenly weighted because it's solid copper. Brass handles, I hate. Plus the chrome never sticks up here toward the top. It always flakes off. I hate that. But it's very evenly weighted. Again, G-base plate. So if you want to look at that blade right there, you can see the amount of blade gap you get there. I actually, if you notice, this copper looks really terrible. It actually was not like that last night. This is not protected copper. They left it like this. I don't know if you can see that black on there. That's not oil. That's literally from my hands from last night. Because again, I shot this last night originally. I hated the way it turned out, so I had to reshoot it. But it's the natural patina of the copper, which is what they wanted. I don't know if you see it, but there's black spots all over this. It's going to patina really quickly if you handle it like I do. But yeah, being a Karve razor, I don't expect anything less than absolute perfection. It is an absolutely nice razor. So I'm going to go and show you some close-ups now of the base plate. I'm going to take the handle off for you. Those threads, by the way, there's no give at all. It is very solidly on there. That's one thing I love about Karve razors, is just how precise they are. Take this off. You see the base plate there? Again, this discoloration is not from manufacturing. It's just the copper aging. Got the nice real top cap there. Again, the blade is completely squared over. That's the top cap. I am going to do a shave with this next. That'll be the next video to see. It's really nice. It's really heavy. I'm going to find the weight and put it on the video because I'm very curious what it is. So with that said, here is the initial impressions and first review of the, initial impressions and unboxing of the Karve razor, all copper. Any questions for me? Put it down in the comments. Anything you want me to review or try? Put it in the comments. With that said, I want to thank you guys for watching. Have a great night.